Here I have DOOGEE V30, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. Firstly, you should open settings, then you should go to the accessibility section, and here you can find TalkBack. So here you can enable it, and after that TalkBack tutorial starts.
Settings.
And it
Welcome
talks
to TalkBack,
non-stop,
page 1 of 5.
but I'm gonna
Close
try
button.
to explain it to you more briefly.
Double tap to activate.
So as you could hear, when you tap on any button, it tells you that you have to double tap on it to activate, and that's how it works.
Close
you can double
tutorial.
tap anywhere on the screen.
Close. Settings.
So basically,
TalkBack.
this mode is made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it speaks out loud contents on the screen. So for example, you see this TalkBack banner, you tap on it and it gets spoken out loud. So for example,
Use TalkBack on.
if you want to disable
Switch
it,
in list.
you tap on this
Double
switch,
tap to
double
stop
tap,
TalkBack.
confirm,
Stop.
and that's
TalkBack
how you
off.
can disable it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.